fix we couldn't install a required dependency in League of Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix we couldn't install a required dependency on League of Legends problem. So there are many more detailed solutions. So first of all, you can restart the game and your computer completely exit the League of Legends client and the Riot client, including from the system tray. Right click on the tray icon and select exit, and you can restart your computer, launch the League of Legends client again, and see if the error is resolved. If not, then you can check for the terminate Riot Vanguard processes. You can open taskbar Control Shift plus ESC. You look for any process related to Riot Vanguard, Riot Client, or other Riot Games processes. If found, right click and select the end task or end process tree. And if that's also not working with you, you can uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard. If restarting doesn't help, you may need to install and Vanguard and first exit all Riot processes. You can uninstall Vanguard through the apps and features. Visit settings in Windows, search for it in the start menu, and alternatively we can navigate to C program files, Riot Vanguard, and run uninstall.exe. And you can also manually install or update drivers. Outdated or missing drivers can sometimes cause dependency errors. Check for and install any available driver updates for your graphics card, network adapter, and other relevant hardware. You can typically find these updates on your hardware manufacturer's website or through Windows Update. You can also check for conflicting softwares. Some third-party software, especially security or anti-cheat program, can interfere with Vanguard and cause installation issues. You can temporarily disable or uninstall any conflicting software and try installing again. And remember to re-enable or reinstall the conflicting software after resolving the issue. You can then run the installer as administrator. Right click on the League of Legends installer and select Run as administrator. So I have told you 5 to 6 solutions to the for fixing the we couldn't install a required dependency in League of Legends. So you can try them and let me know in the comment section which one worked with you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.